Some scallies, chucking eggs.
You know, whatever happened to innocent until proven guilty?
Windows need scrubbing.
Of course. Wouldn't want to upset you, boss. Would I?
You doing it?
I'm on a date with Brody.
Seriously? Thought you had bad taste. You know he's a player.
You can hardly talk. Well, neither of us can.
Do you ever think about us?
No.
I don't believe you. So why don't you go back into that room and tell that little boy you're spending the day with a real man?
I said I'm not interested.
Lisa, come on. Oh, come on. For old time's sake.
Don't tell me you've corked it.
Men!
Did he hurt you? I've seen blokes like you before at the bar. Thin and inflated egos. Coming on to girls half your age.
Just go, yeah?
And if they choose someone else, it dents that ego and you can't have that.
I want you out of here. You and your best mate, I want you both out of here.
Oh, don't worry, we'll be gone.
And anyway, you should be thanking me for giving you a heads up about the local village fight.
You'll keep, old man, for now.